I hope you have enjoyed part 1 and part 2 of narcissistic personality disorder. We have discussed about symptoms, I have discussed about the causes, and now I welcome you to part 3 of the tips for coping with the narcissists. Narcissists are all over in our society. How do we live comfortably with them? It's important to answer that question. 1, it's important to set clear boundaries. Define unacceptable behavior to the person. Tell the person the behavior which you are going to condone and the behavior which is not condoned. Please have clear set boundaries. It's very important. Secondly, it's important to respond instead of reacting. What do I mean? When a narcissist shouts and insults you, name call you, do you behave the same? You don't. What you do, you stay calm and avoid emotional outbursts. Don't insult the narcissists. When they provoke you and they expect you to behave the same, you will behave differently and they will be ashamed. They will be embarrassed. If you don't have emotional outbursts, when you remain calm, the narcissist will feel ashamed. Then there is also the aspect of professional help. You can also get professional help from a psychologist, family therapists, or relationship coach, or other people within the mental health professions. Try to help them, try to get assistance so that you get self-awareness, so that you also understand yourself, you understand what we call emotional intelligence, understand about yourself, understand your weakness, how to express your emotions, you understand your temperament, so that you also understand empathy, so that you will be able to know how to handle difficult situations. You are able to handle difficult personalities, and then with that, it's going to help you to understand more of other people. It will also help you to empathize. You put yourself into the feelings of a narcissist. You empathize. Put yourself in other people's shoes. Then, it's also important to get yourself into self-improvement practices. Get yourself to learn more on how to have emotional regulation. How you can control your emotions. Learn more, read more, so that you also become more mindful of other people. Thank you very much for listening to me. I hope these tips are going to help you to cope with the narcissists so that you don't just run away from them. It's a personality disorder, but these are people we have to appreciate and to cope with them. Thank you very much.